you going, guys? I'm James from Road Rush. So what we do is we sell speed. No, not that kind of speed. We sell racing speed. So as a client, you come out here to Off-Road Rush. We put you into one of our awesome vehicles, either the Yamaha YXZ, the V8 off-road buggy, or the Subaru WRX turbo rally cars. We sit beside you, you're driving the vehicle, you're in complete control, and we teach you how to race around the track flat out. After you've had your drive, we're going to put you in and we're going to show you what the car's capable of as we drive you at race pace around any one of our circuits. All our instructors are professional, they're patient, they want you to have as much fun as they have. They'll get out there, they'll encourage you, they'll keep you safe at the same time, but it's all about having fun. Jump on our website, check out all the dates for our next events. We operate in Victoria and South Australia. We race on real racetracks. Book yourself a date, it'll be awesome.